All right, so in this one, we put some type of LFO on the hi-hat. It's called kickstart. I like using this a lot. It create that pulsing effect. So this is without it. If you remember in the first video, we add this in there, and then now with it engaged, it's like a ducking, and this happens automatically. So this is a version of sidechain, but it's automatic in this sense. It's not relying on a sidechain signal. Also, this plugin has the ability to do that if I choose to do so. I can switch it to audio, input, but I'd rather not do that. I kind of like this here. I'm also going to change the pitch of this. And I see I can't do that from here. So this is where things become more interesting when you start doing more editing. Then you start to find yourself adding stuff to the session, the arranger, instead of leaving it here in the scenes. And like I said before in another video, in order for this to play, because right now it's playing from this side, and you can kind of tell by it look like it's grayed out. So you want to switch this here. Boom. Now it's playing from here. And now we have those other options that we need. And then we just go ahead and loop that. Yeah. I'm going to adjust these as well. I can highlight all of them at the same time and adjust these. I'm gonna take these and stretch them. It's an option. Click. I like to go in and see what halftime offers us. It may be cool, maybe not. You never know. Ooh. All right, this require a drum change. And this is a process. This happens a lot with me. When I change something, it's like, yeah, I have to change this drum. We just went on ahead and add the bass in there real quick. We changed the bass up as well. I feel like yeah, we just have to change up everything. gotta be, you know, when you inputting drums. Sometimes you gotta do something different, you know. You gotta feel it. It's kind of hard to explain. I'm a drummer, and sometimes I go like over the top, cause I'll be chasing, like, man, I can do that better. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn this follow deal off, because every time I try to make edit, everything's moving. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna do like that. Let's add a little perk elements. Add the kick joint in there. Kind of like that. Probably shorten it a little bit. All right, so let's see what this sounds like. We're gonna do that again, but this time we're gonna take this section, delete range again, and then take those. Take that, delete that range. Copy that. So basically what we're doing, I hope you was following. I hope I wasn't too fast. You can always use the comment section and ask me questions. I am here to help you guys in any way possible. But what we did was we're utilizing this arranger situation so that we have better control over what section and we know where we are essentially. That's kind of the concept behind that. And then all I'm doing is making some sense out of this. Right. So I labeled everything, and as you can see on the side, the left side, that is Studio One, is keeping tabs on. Well, it's a dedicated range or section here. So we got the intro, we got the verse, got a little break here, and then verse 2. Yikes. We got to put a chorus in there somewhere. You know what? I think those are choruses. The verses are choruses. Let's play it. Okay, so what I was doing was I was labeling some of the tracks so I can remember what these are, because when you bring in tracks from Splice or whatever, they're going to take on their weird name as what they were when the designer came up with, just weird names. It's not helping me. I mean, it does have the name of it somewhat in it, but as you can see, it's like PMTT. Like, what is that? And then hi-hat is somewhere in there, and then loop, and then ego, and tell you what packet came from, and it tells you BPM. I don't really need to know all of that. I just need to know if this is a hat or a loop, some drums, percussion, snare, blah, 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 that type thing. So I'm not going to relay with all these at the moment. At some point, they probably will get relayed, but just to show you guys the workflow and the concept of everything. We can create a full song using the sings or whatever, but I just went there just to show you guys how to use it. It's there if you need it. It's, you know what I mean? It's not the situation where it's not there. You know what I mean? Because it wasn't always here. We've gone 6 versions of Studio One where this clip launch situation was not a thing until now. So it's here. If it's fun. It's very simple. There's no functions like Ableton, of course, where you can do a little bit more, but it's there. And if you choose not to use it, that's totally fine. You could just get rid of it and boom, there you go. But just keep in mind that if you're using them, like I've been saying all throughout the video, if you use them, you gotta understand what these things are doing. See how I'm doing that? So if you don't hear something, or you hear something and you don't see any corresponding tracks in the arranger, and it's like, wait, why is this signal coming from this track and I don't have anything here? Well, that's because it's playing from the scenes. So you gotta be mindful of that. And, other than that, stay tuned for the next stuff. It's getting deeper.